Good morning. My name is Mr. Lively. I've had most of you in class before, but I have been teaching at Smith Vocational for 5 years. And a couple years before that, I was a GIS guy for a forestry company. Before that, I worked in construction, blacksmithing, worked in a factory. I've got a lot of experience with different things, all of which are really sub-disciplines of engineering. I believe that learning is a marathon, and we'll get there as long as you don't lose motivation. I'm not going to read my syllabus. I've posted it in the classroom. Hopefully, you've had a chance to sign it and upload it. I'll review that a little bit later, along with a safety contract. Grading will be a mix of projects and submissions in the classroom. You're going to have to be able to upload videos and images. I will show you how to do that. All the work is in the Classroom tab of the Google Classroom. I have office hours. If you're in 6th period, 2 to 2:20. If you're in 7th period, 2:20 to 2:40. Same link as this Zoom link for the classroom. Just show up. No need to make an appointment. I expect you'll be on time every day after today. There are 5-minute bells between classes. Classes are 30 minutes. Online absences go as normal absences. They affect co-op, etc. Behavior issues, if you have some, I will try to work with you. Maybe I'll have to mute your mic or your video feed, but then it's off to virtual Sabonis. The class format. I'm going to just have a 5-minute video at the beginning of every class that I made where I'm going through really fast, showing how to do everything that we're trying to do that day. I'll record it. I'll post it later in case you miss class or are late or what have you, or just need to watch it like 5 times. Make sure you get everything done. I will teach something. I'll show the work and I'll set the goal for the day. So let's look at the first one, which is to say today. After we look at some tutorials I made for you. In the stream, you'll see Zoom link for class, Zoom tutorial. You'll see here video recording and submission with Screencastify. Insert image with Google Drive for any webcam, which is typically PC, laptop, Chromebook. Image insertion with phone, Google Drive for phones. Offline Google Drive and split screen, which can be really helpful when you're designing circuits because it's awfully complex and you're trying to do multiple things at once. First assignment is uploading the syllabus and the safety contract. I will go over that during class today. The next thing we're up to is we're going to review basic electrical circuits. I've put a little reference for using a digital multimeter here. You would see something like this. It would say your name and then say 112A, investigating basic circuits. So we're going to be using breadboards, LEDs, resistors, multimeters, and wire. The wire gauge doesn't matter if it fits. Okay. Our first circuit that we're going to make looks like this. If you're looking at the breadboard, this white thing is a breadboard. This is an LED. This is a resistor. This is a wire and another wire. These are connected this way. This is called a bus. And all these are connected. These pins are connected from the front right here to the back all the way down here. You can't see it. These are connected to each other. So when we power this, this will have 5 volts. It'll come here. It'll go through a resistor. It'll go through this LED. It'll come back through this wire. And now it can get to 0 volts or ground. All right. This is what the circuit diagram looks like using symbols, or you could call it a schematic. We will go over this in more detail with questions